Unveiling the charm of a cookbook collection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as delightful to the ears as it is to the taste buds: cookbook collection. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply love the art of language, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers behind this phrase and discover why it holds a special place in many hearts. The phrase, cookbook collection, comprises two key components: cookbook and collection. A cookbook is a book containing recipes and other information about the preparation and cooking of food. It's a guide that helps people learn how to cook delicious meals, offering step-by-step instructions, ingredient lists, and often, mouth-watering photographs of the finished dishes. A collection, on the other hand, refers to a group of items or objects gathered together, usually because they share some common characteristic or because someone finds them interesting or valuable. People collect all sorts of things: stamps, coins, art, and yes, cookbooks. When we combine these two words, cookbook collection refers to an assortment or a library of cookbooks that an individual has gathered over time. This collection can be as diverse as the collector wishes, featuring cookbooks from different cuisines, regions, and periods. You might wonder, why would someone collect cookbooks? Well, a cookbook collection is not just a random assortment of cooking books. It's a reflection of the collector's culinary journey, interests, and sometimes, their dreams and aspirations. Here are a few reasons why people cherish their cookbook collections. Cultural exploration. Cookbooks offer a window into the cuisines and food traditions of the world. Collectors often experience the joy of exploring new cultures through their taste buds. Learning and inspiration. For many, cookbooks are a source of inspiration and learning. They turn to their collection to try new recipes, learn cooking techniques, and explore food photography. Nostalgia and sentimental value. Some cookbooks may be passed down through generations, carrying memories and stories from the past. Aesthetic appeal. Cookbooks are often beautifully designed. Their covers, illustrations, and photography can make them valuable as decorative objects, not just as sources of recipes. Starting your own cookbook collection can be an exciting journey. Here's how to begin. Identify your interests. Start with what you love. Are you into baking, vegan cuisine, or perhaps Italian food? Let your passions guide your choices. Seek recommendations. Ask friends, family, or fellow food enthusiasts for their favorite cookbooks. Online forums and social media groups are also great places to discover hidden gems. Visit bookstores and libraries. These places often have sections dedicated to cookbooks. Don't overlook secondhand bookstores and garage sales, where you might find rare or out-of-print cookbooks. Keep it organized. As your collection grows, find a way to organize it that makes sense to you. It could be by cuisine, author, or publication date. This makes finding the perfect recipe easier when you need it. We hope this exploration of cookbook collection has inspired you to appreciate not just the phrase but perhaps the idea of starting a collection of your own. Cookbooks are more than just recipe repositories. They're stories of culture, tradition, and personal journeys wrapped in delectable pages. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a language enthusiast, the world of cookbooks has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the English language. Happy cooking and learning!